Crypto arbitrage is a trading strategy. It uses price differences on different exchanges. Imagine buying apples at one market for $1. Later you sell them at another market for $1.20. You profit from the price difference. This is arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage is similar. You buy cryptocurrency on one exchange, then you sell it on another exchange for a higher price. The profit is the difference in price. This strategy exploits price inefficiencies in the market. Crypto arbitrage can be profitable, but it requires careful planning and execution. It also carries certain risks that traders need to understand. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine Bitcoin is trading at $30,000 on Binance. On KuCoin, Bitcoin is trading at $30,500. This price difference presents an arbitrage opportunity. You could buy Bitcoin on Binance for $30,000. Then you could sell it on KuCoin for $30,500. After deducting trading fees, you'd make a profit. Of course, this is a simplified example. Real-world arbitrage involves more factors. These factors include trading fees, transfer fees, and market volatility. Not all cryptocurrency exchanges are created equal. Some exchanges have higher trading volumes. Others have lower fees or a wider selection of cryptocurrencies. When choosing exchanges for arbitrage, consider the following. Trading fees. Lower fees mean more profit. Look for exchanges with competitive trading fees. Withdrawal fees. You'll need to transfer your cryptocurrency between exchanges. Choose exchanges with low withdrawal fees. Trading volume. High trading volume ensures liquidity. This makes it easier to buy and sell large amounts of cryptocurrency quickly. Security. Only use reputable exchanges with strong security measures. This protects your funds and personal information. Popular exchanges for crypto arbitrage include Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase. Research and compare different exchanges before you start trading. Finding arbitrage opportunities requires constant monitoring of the market. You need to identify price discrepancies between exchanges. There are several ways to find arbitrage opportunities. Manual monitoring. Check the prices of your chosen cryptocurrencies on different exchanges. This is time-consuming but can be effective. Price comparison. Websites. Websites and apps track cryptocurrency prices across multiple exchanges. These can help you identify potential arbitrage opportunities. Arbitrage bots, automated software that scans exchanges for price differences and executes trades automatically. However, these can be expensive and require technical expertise. Section 5. The true cost of trading, calculating fees. Trading fees can significantly impact your arbitrage profits. It's crucial to calculate these fees accurately before executing any trades. Consider the following fees. Trading fees, which are charged by exchanges for executing buy and sell orders. Usually these are a percentage of the trade amount. Withdrawal fees, which are charged for withdrawing cryptocurrency from an exchange. These vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the exchange. To calculate the total fees, add the trading fees for both exchanges and the withdrawal fee from the first exchange. Subtract the total fees from the potential profit to determine your net profit. Section 6. Making your move. Buying on the first exchange. Once you've identified an arbitrage opportunity and calculated the fees, it's time to execute the trade. First, you need to buy the cryptocurrency on the exchange with the lower price. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your account. Place a limit order at the desired price. A limit order ensures you buy the cryptocurrency at the price you want. Be aware that market orders may execute at a different price than intended. Section 7. Bridging the gap. Transferring your cryptocurrency. After purchasing the cryptocurrency, you need to transfer it to the exchange with the higher price. Go to the withdrawal section of the first exchange. Enter the wallet address of your second exchange and the amount of cryptocurrency to transfer. Double-check the address to avoid losing your funds. Confirm the withdrawal. The transfer time varies depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Section 8. Cashing in. Selling on the second exchange. Once the cryptocurrency arrives in your wallet on the second exchange, you can sell it. Place a limit sell order at the desired price on the second exchange. This ensures you sell at the higher price. Be mindful of market volatility, as prices can fluctuate rapidly. After the sell order is filled, You've successfully completed the arbitrage trade. Your profit, minus the fees, will be reflected in your account balance. Section 9. Navigating the risks, essential safety tips. Crypto arbitrage involves inherent risks that traders should be aware of. Price volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate rapidly, potentially wiping out profits or even leading to losses. Exchange risk. Exchanges can experience technical issues, hacks, or even shut down, putting your funds at risk. Transaction speed. Slow transaction confirmations can cause you to miss arbitrage opportunities or incur losses due to price changes. To mitigate these risks, start small. Begin with small amounts of capital until you gain experience and confidence. Use reputable exchanges. Choose well-established exchanges with a proven track record of security and reliability. Monitor trades closely. Keep a close eye on your trades and be prepared to act quickly if market conditions change. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency trading carries inherent risks, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. Section 10. Mastering the game, final thoughts and advice. Crypto arbitrage can be a profitable trading strategy, but it's not without risks. Thorough research, careful planning, and disciplined execution are crucial for success. Remember these key takeaways. Choose reputable exchanges with low fees, high liquidity, and strong security. Calculate all trading and withdrawal fees to determine your potential profit. Use limit orders to execute trades at your desired prices. Be aware of market volatility and the risks involved in cryptocurrency trading. Start small, learn as you go, and never stop educating yourself about the ever-evolving world of crypto. With patience, discipline, and a solid understanding of the markets, you can navigate the exciting world of crypto arbitrage and potentially profit from its unique opportunities. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos, and if you have any doubts, comment down below. I'll do my best to reply.